Good day everyone. Fellow science enthusiasts, leaders, teachers, scholars, friends, ladies and gentlemen, magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
I am Now.
And I am Pepper.
We are the products of continuous researching and learning from a bunch of science enthusiasts like you.
We are humanoid robots from High-Tech Power Incorporated. And we are presenting today in behalf of our President and CEO, Engineer Eric Jude S. Solomon.
On behalf of Engineer Solomon and the whole High-Tech Power family, we would like to thank you for inviting us today. This is a great opportunity to share our endeavors in promoting science, technology, engineering and mathematics towards socio-economic development of the country. We are extremely grateful to be with you today, with our future scientists, technologists, engineers, mathematicians, physicists, doctors, architects, teachers, and leaders, because we can feel that we are also geniuses.
We can conclude that, now, because we are products of intensive research in artificial intelligence, so it is understood that we are intelligent robots.
Going back to today's activity, we would like to congratulate the leaders and the people behind the success of this event, the officials, teaching and non-teaching staff of the Philippine Science High School, Caraga Region Campus under the Department of Science and Technology. Truly, your efforts to make this event possible are exceptional and commendable. Please give yourselves a round of applause.
This year's STEMify conference has the theme, STEM Up to Step Up, Integrated Approach in Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics for Sustainable Future. This is an interesting theme, as we all aim for brighter and sustainable future, for our families and for the nation as a whole.
But when we talk about the future, we often go back to what Dr. Jose Rizal once said, that the youth is our future. This may sound cliché, but whether we admit it or not, we still hold on to this belief. And when we talk about the youth, there is no better way to prepare them for the future than sustainable quality education.
In our presentation, we will be focusing in one branch of STEM, which is robotics. From the basic level in educational robotics to training students and for actual industrial robotics applications. Actually, we do not usually say that robotics is a branch of STEM, since if we will analyze it, robotics is the application of the 4 and maybe more areas of STEM. We will highlight this in one of the next slides.
First, what is educational robotics? Educational robotics has become increasingly integrated into primary and secondary schools across the United States and many other countries in recent years, spurred by national reports and policies. Educational robotics is not simply a popular trend in educational technology, but has been shown through research to be effective for improving students' perceptions of STEM subjects as well as learning outcomes in all STEM subjects across K-12.
Educational robotics is the best organizer for integrated STEM teaching and learning. Researchers have found a spectrum of benefits for incorporating robotics into existing school curriculum, from the development and application of STEM knowledge, to computational thinking and problem-solving skills, to social and teamwork skills, all fundamental skills for 21st century learners and, eventually, 21st century workforce. Robotics has also been used to support college preparedness and technical career skills for high school students.
These insights make it clear that it is important for students across K-12 to have success with STEM learning, and using a robotic kit together with a coding platform that is easy to learn and construct is a valuable component of implementing a robotic curriculum so that all students achieve success.
Why educational robotics? To understand our world, robots are prevalent in our everyday lives, and that prevalence is increasing. Students see them at home, on the way to school and at the schools. Learning about robotics can help students understand the world they live in.
To be exposed to and learn about the jobs of the future, 2013 study by the University of Oxford Department of Engineering Science, which estimates that 47% of current jobs are at risk of being lost to automation. As educators, it is vital we too respond creatively, searching for innovative solutions to prepare students for their future.
To teach computational thinking, educational robotics can be an effective tool to teach computational thinking. Students can program their robots to perform complex tasks, both in the classroom and on competition fields. For example, learning about sequencing, being able to program a robot to do certain behaviors, teaching loop, teaching conditional statement with sensors on the robot.
To become comfortable with iteration and learn from failure, the process of assembly and disassembly and programming the robot, test the robot involves iteration and learn from the failure. Robotics/coding education involves iteration and may encounter issues and problems. Students learn from failure, increase self-efficacy.
Let us focus on teaching integrated STEM education in novel ways. The goal of STEM, to learn the knowledge of each discipline, and then to identify connections and patterns across all 4 disciplines. Finally, want them to be able to generalize their understanding so that they can apply the knowledge in real life and to solve authentic problems.
Robotics is a wonderful tool to achieve the goal of integrated STEM, which is teaching everything together. Build your robot, learn them. Engineering principles allows students to practice the engineering design process. You can then program your robot. You learn the technology.
Science, such as the scientific method, observation, experimentation, data collection, and analysis. Robotics allows for investigations of applied physics and mechanical concepts, systems thinking, and of course artificial intelligence.
Maths, educational robotics is an excellent way to make math more meaningful for students. For example, learning the math concept of angle with robot arm.
Our partner, VX Robotics, is an educational robotics developer of hardware, software, and curriculum that is used in classrooms all around the world. VX Robotics is wholly owned by Innovation First International Incorporated. Innovation First International began by producing electronics for autonomous mobile ground robots and is now a leader in educational and competitive robotics products, and a growing developer of consumer robotics toys. Headquartered in the US, VX has 12 offices around the globe servicing and supporting teachers and students in their mission to apply STEM skills to solve real-world problems.
VX Robotics designed a seamless approach to teach robotics and develop a wide range of soft skills from preschool level to workforce readiness. This program is called the VX Continuum.
The VX Continuum enables educators to create a cohesive STEM learning plan for students from primary to secondary school, and beyond. The VX Continuum is comprised of 6 VX platforms, all of which can be supplemented with VX Code. This series of VX platforms is grounded in a continuity of resources, curriculum, and materials, so that teachers and students can build upon their STEM learning from year to year.
This program supports school-wide STEM learning goals through the educational resources provided within and across our platforms. Each of the STEM domains is addressed through curricular activities and resources, like STEM labs, that are age-appropriate, and give teachers and students an opportunity to apply their learning through more complex building and projects as they continue to learn.
STEM is a multidisciplinary approach. How VX can assist you is with our ecosystem. Once educators enter the VX ecosystem, the continuity of resources across platforms makes it easy to plan, teach, and collaborate with others, both within and across grade levels, year after year.
This includes continuity of robotics hardware, continuity of coding platforms, VX Code, continuity of curriculum, standard-aligned curriculum, continuity of the STEM library, continuity of teaching support, continuity of robotics competitions.
Let us watch this video to explore on the different levels in the VX Continuum.
Welcome to the VX Continuum, a complete STEM and computer science journey for preschool through college students. VX's 5 platforms are the perfect organizers for STEM, integrating educational subjects to improve students' comprehension. We're confident that you'll find our continuum has no gaps in learning, a culture of educator collaboration, and a consistent learning environment designed to reach students and educators at any level. So let's get started.
First off, we have VX 123 for students as young as 4 years old. Using this fun, multifunctional robot to explore basic logic and problem solving, children can expand their understanding of coding, all without the need for a computer. Next, we have VX Go, an introduction to robot construction for children ages 7 and up. Here, students can learn from fundamentals of STEM through fun, hands-on activities, challenges, and experiments. They will deepen their understanding of core concepts by learning how to build, power, and code a robot.
From there, students can move up to VEX IQ for a more immersive exploration of robotics, engineering, and even competitions. They'll also be learning the soft skills required to be a part of a team, such as problem solving, time management, communication, and so much more.
Next, they can advance to VEX EXP. Here they're introduced to kits using the latest technology, sensors, and metal construction. EXP focuses on STEM curriculum while acting as a bridge between plastic and metal, softening the transition into new hardware. Next, they can move on to VEX V5. At this level, they're building their robots using real-world tools and fasteners, high-tech sensors, and exploring software techniques, even artificial intelligence. They now have a working knowledge of robot construction, coding.
Moving on to the next level, for technical and engineering education, STEM offers the fundamentals to more complex systems and processes. Mechatronics and Industry 4.0 are two most famous fields connecting engineering and technical education to applications in the workplace.
The smart factory just got even smarter. This site in Heidelberg, which makes electrification products, combines advanced robotics with the power of the Internet of Things. It's a showcase of what ABB Ability, which brings all of ABB's digital products together under one offer, means in action. The production line is equipped with sensors to capture data about the products and machines at every stage of the process, while 7 ABB robots perform a variety of complex roles. The production stations work autonomously or together, adjusting their actions based on what happened at earlier stages of the manufacturing process. Cameras visually compare each component and trigger self-correction processes if any specifications aren't met. Each circuit breaker has a unique QR code, which enables full traceability from the factory to where it's installed. And every product is tested before leaving the factory to make sure of the highest quality. The process is based on data from all the prior tests within the facility and across the whole manufacturing network, with self-learning to improve the precision of future tests. The factory software takes stock of all the sensor and customer data available, making decisions and controlling machines as part of our optimized self-healing environment. And every stage of this automation cycle is controlled by ABB product, including, since the company's acquisition of B&R, the crucial industrial PC technology that controls many of these complex tasks. Intelligent manufacturing has revolutionized the production process. It's increased our efficiency so that 3 times as many products can be produced. It's increased our flexibility, so batch sizes can be smaller and more varied. This Heidelberg site alone can handle 8,000 product variants. It's improved our performance, as machine sensors provide predictive maintenance information. And it's improved our overview of stock and capacity, which in turn leads to more accurate delivery times and better materials handling, maintaining the high quality of these circuit breakers and ultimately delighting customers. This isn't a factory of the future. With ABB Ability, this is a factory of today.
Training for the workplace is something that our principals are working on through the years. Our partner, Amatrol, which is based in the US, devoted years of research to design and develop training systems that are made for the industry by the industry. Let us take a look on this video that shows how a smart factory can be miniaturized in a tabletop training system without hampering the quality of learning and training that students would get. The whole idea is to prepare them as future technologists, technicians, and engineers capable of improving systems and processes for the betterment of the society. Let us watch this.
Cutting-edge automation and industry-standard equipment come together in Amatrol's tabletop smart factory. Incorporating a FANUC robot, a cageless safety system with a laser scanner, and state-of-the-art Industry 4.0 technology, students get hands-on experience with the latest in smart automation. Equipped with smart sensors and cloud-based software, students are taught how these systems work together in today's smart factories. They can monitor the system for data and troubleshoot via visual communication software in a mobile app. When paired with Amatrol's e-learning curriculum, students learn everything from system operation to managing the trainer's Ethernet network. Get automation into your students' hands with Amatrol's Tabletop Smart Factory.
Robotics encompasses a wide range of application in the industry and businesses. Aside from manufacturing plants, robotics can be seen in welding, mining, medical applications, clinical laboratories, agriculture and others. We follow the rule of 3 Ds: dirty, dull and dangerous. One clear application of robotics is welding. Let us see how much is the demand of robotics in welding with the introduction and implementation of Industry 4.0 nowadays and in the years to come. How do we prepare our students to the demand of the industry? Our partner Soldomatic has the solution on how to train them for real industry setup and scenarios. robotics have a very wide range of applications. And for every field of application, we intend to look for the technology that will help us prepare our students for the jobs of the future. Our company, High-Tech Power, continues to bring the best from around the globe to make sure that our students will not be left behind in terms of quality education. This is our mantra, to continuously align job and skills mismatch through teaching and training equipment and platforms for sustainable future.
We have a lot more to show to you, but we cannot consume all the hours of the day.
We hope that we were able to share relevant things to you and make you more interested to STEM education, and in robotics in particular.
We hope to see you in the days to come. Thank you and have a good day. Bye. Oh wait. Did we mention already that robots can also be used in entertainment as well as in social skills development among children? Well, you have to see this.
What is your name?
My name is Stella. So what's your name?
I am Pepper.
Oh, hi, Pepper. So, do you want to be friends?
Sure. Wanna eat with me?
Yeah, sure.
Jollibee? Chicken joint? With rice?
Wow, how did you do that?
I can hear no. Of course.
Oh, Stella is gonna dance.
Please wait.
Yeah.
You're a great dancer. Of course.
So, about your dance, it was amazing.
Great. You dance with me?
Yeah, I dance with you.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you. Great dancer.
Have a good night.
You too.
You really look cute in that video, Pepper. I wish I was there with you so I could teach you the proper way to dance Macarena. Kidding aside, I think you had an impact to that little girl's experience.
Definitely. By the way, that video was taken during the awarding ceremony for the World Class Philippines 2021 at City of Dreams, Manila, where High-Tech Power and ENGR, Solomon were both awardees.
Oh well, we have to say goodbye. This is for real now. Bye.